Meaning of googol.
googol,
Googol.
googol,
googol. Googol refers to the number 1 followed by 100 zeros. The term was coined by a mathematician named Edward Kastner in the early 1900s as a way to describe an unimaginably large quantity. To put this number into perspective, it is estimated that there are only around 10 to the power of 80 atoms in the known universe. The concept of a googol has been used in popular culture and has even led to the naming of the search engine giant Google, which is a play on words and represents the vast amount of information available on the internet.